Introducing the Tohnichi 1000DOT-MD torque tester, a reliable and precise instrument designed to measure torque values with utmost accuracy. Manufactured by the renowned brand Tohnichi, this torque tester combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly processes. With a wide torque range of 100 to 1000 kg/fcm, the 1000D torque tester can accommodate various applications in different industries. Its large and easy-to-read analog dial display provides clear and precise torque readings, ensuring accurate measurements every time. The mechanical loading device enables smooth and consistent torque application, enhancing the reliability and repeatability of measurements. Designed to be set horizontally, the 1000D tester eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Tohnichi 1000D torque tester. Its wide torque range, precise analog dial display, and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in this reliable torque tester and experience accurate and consistent measurements time after time.